Okay, so we are going to proceed implementing the delete product functionality in the system. So what do we need to do? There are a couple of things we need to do, right? So you will see the page. It says when in the list products page, admin users must be able to delete a product, right? A delete icon must be displayed next to each product, right? And when we hit the delete icon, users must be shown a confirmation window or modal with a cancel and a delete button, right? When the cancel button is hit or clicked, it will just close the window and restart the associated variables. But when we hit the delete, it will execute the delete action and it will reload the data, right? Now we will implement the endpoint here in this video too and in this task because the endpoint does not exist yet. Okay, so what do we do? Basically what we need to do is, I already implemented a little bit of it. So in the admin products list page, you see that we already had the list with the card being set to also enable the delete, right? Enable delete and the delete action. So enable delete is going to be true, and the delete action, basically the delete action is going to set the should show confirm delete modal variable to true. It will store in a variable the actual item that was selected, right? And then we will have the logic in here. So we will see this. If the variable is true, this component will be shown, right? This is the confirm component. We set the close action, or the actions. The close text will be cancel, right, or the cancel button. The close action will be this hide confirm delete dialog, and that hide confirm delete dialog basically will just set the flag to false and restart the value of the selected product model to set to null, right? And the OK text will be delete. The title will be delete product, and here we will change this to product, right? Now we will go and implement this method, right? So it's not in true, it's not in false in there. Now let's see, what we want to do is our response equals the way it is authorize HTTP client delete async, right? API product delete by ID. Let me see how the others are named. So I believe we had the delete for images. Delete image, return, it received the name. Okay, so I'll name it delete product. Product ID equals this selected product model, product ID. Okay. If it's not successful, we will go and show this, right? We will show a message indicating the error. However, if it is successful, we will do is justify service, display success error notification, product has been deleted, and here we will show selected model equals the name, right? Now here we will do justify service dot display error notification, the actual message from there, and yes, we will hide it only when it is successful, right? Let's see. Actually, let's go to promotion, let's go to delete action, and let's see where did we put it. Yeah, we put it at the end. So we'll do it in the finally. Selected product model. Now this loading should be the last step actually. And oh no, we're going to extract that to a method, load products. Okay, so here we are going to do load products. Okay, and that should be it. Let's verify. Yes, that should be it. Now API product, delete product. Okay, so we are going now to the server side, to the product controller, and we are going to do an HTTP delete action public async task a action result delete product in product ID and part product entity equals with this context product. Actually I can do a single or default async where the ID equals product ID. If product entity equals null, throw new exception is no product with ID, product ID. Otherwise, I don't not really need to do the else, but this context product, remove the product entity and save changes async, and if everything works we return an OK result. Let's the product with the specified product ID. Specified. I got to put ID in there. Okay. Now let's test this. So a couple of things I should do at the moment. I'll put the breakpoint in here, actually in here. And I'll put the breakpoint in okay. So we have an error in here. Let's see why we have an error. Invalid object name promotion. Getting some issues. Let me generate the entities. Yeah, it's because didn't have the schema. Okay. So I will fix that. That's fixed. So I should not get more errors. Should leave the promotions in here. Okay, so that error is fixed. Now let's log in. And we were on this. So let's try to delete it. Delete the product, right? Are you sure you want to delete? That's an extra D I should delete. Remove from there. Close. I don't want to delete it. I don't want to delete it, right? I don't want to delete it, but if I go and delete, let's see, select star from product, products.product. We have the products in there, right? So if I hit delete in here, it will execute the logic, right? So there is a product without ID, we remove it, we save the changes, seems it actually worked. And now we only have one product and we saw the message for the product being deleted. And if we go to the database, the only one product exists in there. So that's it for the delete product functionality. Okay, Please remember to share the videos, invite more people to subscribe to the channel, share them, like them, and yeah, let me know in the comments what functionality you would like to have in the Blazor Restaurant project. Thank you very much and have a great day.